Hi everyone, and welcome to this week's video. I'm Alissa, Todd, financial advisor, and today I want to share with you some financial habits of our most successful clients. So the first is have a positive attitude and live in the mindset of abundance. There can be a lot of stress, anxiety, and fear when it comes to money, but we've noticed that some of our most successful clients live with a mindset of abundance and appreciating the money that they already have and that they continue to make. And you have an abundance of things to be thankful for. For example, the paycheck that you receive, money to pay for food or a place to live. And when you make this shift to this mindset of abundance and having a sense of gratitude, not taking anything for granted, you open yourself up for more opportunities. And also realize that you are in the driver's seat of your financial life and you have the ability to make more money. Second, have a team of professionals. Surround yourself with a team of professionals, especially when it comes to your financial life. Work with financial advisors, CPAs, and attorneys, and let them do the job that you hired them for so you can focus on the things that make you successful and happy. The third habit is live within your means. Now, this may sound simple, but this is a fundamental principle of financial planning that many people have a difficult time adhering to. So this leads right into our next habit, which is to look at your finances regularly. Understand your expenses and review your budget regularly and make any changes if necessary. And make sure that you're also having reviews at least on an annual basis on your investment accounts and any savings accounts that you're actively contributing towards. The next habit I want to share is to know the value of saving, investing, and paying off debt. This allows you to pursue your financial goals and live the life that you love. Work with a financial advisor to come up with a game plan on how you can seek to maximize your money when it comes to balancing your savings, investing, and debt repayment. And lastly, set SMART goals. Set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals. Many clients come to us and say that they want to achieve financial independence, but this can mean many different things. So what do all of your goals mean to you? And really dig deep and figure out what your goals are. Having clear goals that you're actively working towards achieving will also help you make decisions when it comes to spending and when you want to buy something that you don't really need. So those are some of the habits of our most successful clients that we've noticed. And as always, if you have any questions on your own personal financial situation, don't hesitate to reach out. Send me a message or schedule a time to connect by using the link below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.